Hello everyone, welcome back to the Network Fixer, the channel where we simplify complex technologies into practical knowledge. Artificial intelligence has already changed how we search, write emails, create images, generate videos, and even write computer programs. But what if AI could do much more than just answer questions on a screen? What if AI could actually see the world around it, understand its surroundings, move its hands, walk, drive, cook, clean, repair machines, and even assist doctors during surgeries? That is exactly where the world is heading. Welcome to the era of embodied AI, also called physical AI. Many experts believe that generative AI was only the first chapter. The next trillion-dollar revolution could be embodied AI. In today's video, we are going to understand everything about this fascinating technology. We will answer questions like what exactly is embodied AI? How is it different from ChatGPT? Why are companies like Nvidia, Tesla, Figure AI, Boston Dynamics, Google DeepMind, and OpenAI investing billions? How does a robot actually think? What technologies make it possible? What industries will change forever? Will robots replace human jobs? And finally, how can network engineers, system administrators, cybersecurity professionals, and IT engineers prepare for this future? So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's dive into the future. What is embodied AI? Most AI today exists only inside computers. ChatGPT can answer questions, GitHub Copilot writes code, Google Gemini summarizes documents, Claude helps programmers, but none of these systems can physically interact with the world. They cannot open a door, they cannot carry a package, they cannot repair a broken machine, they cannot cook your dinner. Embodied AI changes that. Embodied AI is artificial intelligence that exists inside a physical body. That body could be a humanoid robot, a robotic arm, an autonomous vehicle, a warehouse robot, a medical robot, a delivery robot, or even a household assistant. Instead of only processing text, it processes the real world. It sees, it hears, it understands, it moves, it learns, it interacts. In simple words, generative AI thinks, embodied AI thinks, and along with thinking, it also acts. Why is it called embodied? The word embodied simply means having a physical body. Humans learn because we have bodies. As babies, we touch objects, crawl, walk, fall, pick things up, feel temperature, experience gravity, and slowly understand how the world works. AI is now learning the same way. Instead of only reading books, robots can learn by interacting with real environment. That is why it is called embodied intelligence. How does an embodied AI robot work? Imagine a humanoid robot standing inside your house. Just like humans, it has several senses. Its eyes are cameras, its ears are microphones, its skin contains pressure sensors, its joints contain motion sensors, its brain is an AI model, its muscles are electric motors. When you say, please bring me a bottle of water, the process happens like this. In the first step, the microphones capture your voice. In the second step, speech recognition converts your voice into text. In the third step, a large language model understands what you said. In the fourth step, Vision AI identifies the bottle. In the fifth step, the robot plans the safest route. In the sixth step, motor controllers move the legs. In the seventh step, the robot hand adjusts grip pressure. In the eighth step, the robot avoids obstacles. In the ninth step, the bottle is safely delivered. All this may happen in just a few seconds. This is physical AI. Let's understand the technologies behind embodied AI. Embodied AI combines multiple technologies. Computer vision gives robots the ability to see. Large language models allow them to understand language. Reinforcement learning teaches them through trial and error. Machine learning helps recognize patterns. SLAM allows robots to map surroundings. Sensor fusion combines camera, radar, LiDAR, GPS, and IMU data. Motion planning calculates safe movement. Edge AI enables real time decisions. Cloud AI handles heavy computation. Robotics controls physical movement. Without all these technologies working together, embodied AI would not exist. Let's understand why NVIDIA calls it the next industrial revolution. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang has repeatedly explained that physical AI will become one of the largest computing revolutions. Why? Because every robot needs enormous computational power, every camera generates data, every movement requires calculations, every decision requires AI inference, every second millions of mathematical operations happen. That means demand for GPUs, AI chips, high speed networking, and edge computing will explode. For network engineers, this creates an entirely new world of infrastructure. Let's move on to the real world applications. Imagine entering a hospital, an AI robot delivers medicine, another transports medical equipment, another disinfects operating rooms, another assists surgeons. Now imagine warehouses, robots unload trucks, they sort packages, they move pallets, they scan inventory, they work 24 by 7 round the clock and never get tired. In the factories, robots will assemble cars, they inspect the quality, they detect defects, they replace damaged components. In the agricultural field, robots will be controlling autonomous tractors, fruit picking robots, crop monitoring drones, precision irrigation. If we consider homes, robotic assistants helping elderly people, it helps in cooking, cleaning, laundry, medication reminders. If we consider schools, teaching assistants, laboratories, space exploration, mining, construction, the possibilities are almost endless. Let's move on to self driving cars or embedded AI. Many people think self driving cars are separate from AI. Actually, they are one of the best examples of embodied AI. A self driving car continuously performs object detection, lane detection, traffic sign recognition, pedestrian prediction, route planning, obstacle avoidance, vehicle control, all within milliseconds. Tesla's full self driving system is one example, Waymo is another. These vehicles constantly perceive and interact with the physical world. Let's move on to humanoid robots. Humanoid robots are receiving the most attention today. Why? Because our world was designed for humans. Doors, stairs, tables, chairs, tools, factories, everything already fits the human body. Instead of redesigning the world, companies are designing robots shaped like humans. Several companies are racing in this field. Tesla Optimus, Figure AI, Boston Dynamics Atlas, Agility Robotics Digit, Uptech Walker, Unitary G1. Each generation becomes smarter, faster, and more capable. Let's also understand the challenges. Despite rapid progress, embodied AI still faces major challenges. They would include battery life, robot safety, cost, reliable perception, fine motor skills, human interaction, ethics, privacy, cybersecurity, network reliability. Even opening an irregular shaped object can sometimes confuse robots. Humans perform these tasks naturally, robots are still learning. Let's understand one of the key concepts why networking matters. As network engineers, this is where things become exciting. Every robot generates massive amounts of data, video streams, sensor data, telemetry, diagnostics, location updates, firmware updates, cloud synchronization, AI inference requests. Factories may operate thousands of robots simultaneously. That means networks must deliver ultra low latency, high bandwidth, high availability, redundant connectivity, strong security, reliable wireless coverage, edge computing integration, Wi Fi 7, private 5G, industrial Ethernet, time sensitive networking, software defined networking. Without robust networking, physical AI simply cannot function reliably. Let's understand the cybersecurity risks. Now imagine someone hacking a humanoid robot that becomes a real physical threat. Unlike hacking a website, a compromised robot can cause actual damage. Therefore, security becomes even more important. Zero trust, identity management, device certificates, encrypted communication, secure firmware, continuous monitoring, network segmentation, AI anomaly detection, these will become standard requirements. Let's understand the jobs of the future. Will robots replace humans? Some repetitive jobs may become automated, but history shows that every technological revolution also creates new careers. Robot operations engineer, AI infrastructure engineer, robotics network engineer, robot fleet administrator, AI security specialist, robot maintenance engineer, edge AI architect, digital twin engineer, simulation engineer, human robot interaction designer. The future belongs to people who continuously learn. How can IT professionals prepare now? If you are in networking, learn automation, Python, Ansible, Linux, containers, edge computing, cloud networking, private 5G, industrial protocols. If you are in security, learn AI security, IoT security, robot identity management, threat detection, zero trust. If you are a student, start learning robotics, computer vision, machine learning, programming, mathematics. The earlier you begin, the bigger the opportunity. Many experts believe that within the next decade, millions of intelligent robots will work alongside humans. Hospitals, airports, factories, warehouses, hotels, restaurants, construction sites, even homes. Just as smartphones became common, robots may become equally common. This transformation won't happen overnight, but it has already begun. Embodied AI is not science fiction anymore, it is becoming reality. The combination of AI, robotics, computer vision, networking, edge computing, and cloud infrastructure will shape the next generation of intelligent machines. For IT professionals, this is not something to fear, it is something to prepare for. The skills you build today could define your career tomorrow. If you enjoyed this deep dive into embodied AI, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and also colleagues, and subscribe to the Network Fixer for more networking, cybersecurity, cloud, AI, and enterprise technology content explained in simple language. I would also love to hear your thoughts. Do you think humanoid robots will become part of our daily lives? Or do you believe there are still many years before that happens? Leave your opinion in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. This is Mithun from the Network Fixer. Stay curious, keep learning, and I will see you in the next video.